Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. Does it work? 2024. Are you tired of trying different diets and not seeing results? Introducing the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, a revolutionary new product that claims to help you lose weight and improve your overall health. But the question is, does it really work? Many people have claimed to have seen amazing results after using the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. But can we trust these testimonials? Some experts suggest that the ingredients in the juice may have potential health benefits, but there is not enough scientific evidence to support these claims. So, is the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice for real? It's always important to be skeptical of products that promise quick fixes. Before trying any new product, it's best to do your own research and consult with a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and updates.